hi to Aunt Rachel. Say hi to Aunt Rachel. You're wearing your cute outfit, aren't ya? Yeah. Yeah, you're too cute. You're too cute in your outfit. We gotta show it to her. Oh, look at the cute outfit, boy. Yes. Oh, well, it's not so bad. You're awfully colorful. You've been a good boy. You just had a nice cozy bath. Yeah, and now you're sporting your cool sweater. You're nice and warm. It's time for a snooze. Yeah. Who's the big boy? Wesley weighs 11 pounds. And he's 6 weeks old tomorrow. Oh, and he's very tired, huh? Bug. Okay. Oh.